Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make puff-puff with self-rising flour. Wow, this is so delicious. It looks so nice. Now to start with, you're going to pour the self-rising flour. As you can see, the self-rising is a mixture of all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. So we'll just pour the self-rising flour in the bowl, the mixing bowl. So you add sugar to the flour. So you mix together. You mix the flour and the sugar together. Just mix them together. And so, yeah, just mix them together. And so you can put warm water. You can add the warm water into the flour. Please try as much as possible not to put too much water. You can just add the water bit by bit. It's better because if it's too watery, you're not going to get the desired results. So you need to be careful when adding the water. You make sure you're putting the water bit by bit, and so that you get the correct or the right consistency. You need to be careful. The amount of water you put is going to determine the outcome of your puff puff. So you need to be very careful the amount of water you put. So at least you just get this consistency. As you can see, it's not too thick and it's not too watery. You can get this consistency. It's really nice and soft. It looks so nice. So now make sure the oil is hot. And where you're going to know that the oil is hot is when you put just a little bit of the dough in there. You can see it's flow. So you can start to put the dough in the hot oil. There are different ways you can put the dough. You can form the dough in the hot oil. There are different ways. You can see different ways. So all depends on the ones you know how to do best. So just keep to the one you know how to do best, and make sure the heat is on medium, and make sure it's not too much in the pot or the frying pan, so that there will be enough space for you to turn the puff puff around. So it's really nice. As you can see, they're all coming up floating. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment. Let me know when you're going to make this puff puff. It's going to be nice. Mwah. So you keep stirring the puff puff so that it doesn't turn. Yeah, you can just keep stirring the puff puff, as you can see. So you wait till it gets to the golden brown, and yeah, as you can see, this is the golden brown. I like it this way. It's really nice, looks so nice, and trust me, this tastes good. Wow, lovely. Look at the outcome. Let me know when you're going to try this at home in the comment section. Bye.